So today na a very entertaining match go dey between Spain and Belgium. So wetin you think about today match?
Today match na better blockbuster match for
Yes,
this
sir.
whole World Cup. Spain never concede even one goal.
They are defensive.
Their defense dey very tight, and for last 5 times wey Spain and Belgium meet, Spain win them throughout. Their last game na 2-0 for 216 when they win them. So today match, Spain go dey play to keep their record of not conceding in the World Cup.
Yeah.
Belgium, in the other hand, na team where they like score goal, because if you watch wetin they play against Senegal, you see say them they dey dangerous. From 2-0 down, 85 minutes, they don't come back, complete 3-2. So, and with the players players wey dey the country like Doku, De Bruyne, Lukaku, those some of them they come in as substitutes now.
Yeah.
So we dey expect may today be like may if Spain, because Spain na country where they like play from back, build their ball. So wetin go happen is we go dey expect more passes from Spain, but more attack from Belgium.
That counter.
So what you dey expect about the match?
Today, I'm expecting that Spain will win because one, they have attacking midfield. In their midfield, they have Rodri, they have Pedri, they have Dani Olmo, and Rodri and Pedri. They can move anywhere, and they are not even looking bad. But let me say, if Belgium coach did what he start what he did in the last match, they win because he benched Doku and De Bruyne.
Yeah.
Because those people that played that first half played it with their mind, and they focused. But if he started that Doku and De Bruyne, I don't think that they will win. But today, starting from their back, Laporta and Kubasi, they are doing a lot of good work.
Very good job.
Yeah. Very good job. If you see their last match against Portugal, against our, let me say, their so-called goats, but they played very well. So
today we believe say Belgium fit score Spain as Spain never concede since.
No.
According to wetin in talk, for me, according to wetin in talk, if Belgium coach start the boys who won't play with their mind, unlike those big boys like Doku and De Bruyne, where them na big boys. If you start people who won't play with their mind,
they don't want chop bench.
They don't want chop bench. They won't play out themselves. So they fit score, but normally Spain, if they don't want score, you yourself no go score. But say they go control you. They go make you like when waiting they won't make you play now. Waiting you go they play because now waiting they do Portugal be that. They won't make Portugal they play for leg. Make they know they go crossing. Portugal still join them. So the midfield of both Pedri and Rodri now controlling midfield.
Yeah.
And if you come on high, Rodri go through and go wing for Yamal, go to that side for maybe Alex Bena or whoever start that side. So we'd expect more possession, more passes from Spain.
Yeah.
But Belgium, in the other hand, what thing they go do? Like they go try counter attack. And if they mistakenly score one, now the match go come be up because Spain go now try to break the line of defense of Belgium. But in all round, everybody knows say Spain get higher hand than Belgium. So
Belgium they come as
for me,
dog for the match, but we never know how.
For me,
today
I dey predict say Spain go win the match 2-1.
Yeah.
No. For me, no go. For me, I would say Spain win this match with 4 goals or 3 goals or no.
Yeah, they predict say
no go.
Say Spain go win 2-0.
No.
Spain go win. Lamine Yamal to score, but let's watch out how today match will be between Spain and
today
Belgium.
Dani Olmo.
So let's watch out,